To enable or disable page change screen reader in Samsung Galaxy S10, open Settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Screen Reader. Tap Settings. Tap Verbosity. Tap Pitch Change switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. Set voice feedback to use a different pitch when you are entering text with the keyboard.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader. Home button. Home screen. Page 1 of Google search. 1. Ink editing. Search edit box. Why? Showing 5 suggestions. You deleted. Showing. Oh. Show. You. Showing 4 suggestions. Spacebar. You. Hey. Showing 5 suggestions. T. Showing 5 suggestions. Search you are. Double tap to active. Search you are Danya. Search you attitude. Search you are the reason lyric. Home button. Keyboard hidden. Home screen. Recents button. Home. S. Google Club. Settings. Screen reader. Voice assistant in list 5 items. Double tap to active. Settings. Show. Verbosity. Pitch change it. Off. Home button. Home screen. Page. Google search. 1. English editing. Search edit. Why? Showing 5 suggest. Oh. You. H. Show. F. Home. Showing. Keyboard hidden. Home screen. Page 1 of 3 default page.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.